They say marketing is just another word for selling. But if you've ever built something from scratch, you know that's a lie. Marketing is your story, your heartbeat, your connection to the world. And for years, Not Just Candle Talk wasn't just a podcast. It was a movement. It was about rebuilding, about burnout, and the comeback. But now, it's evolution time. Welcome to the new era, Not Just Candle Talk, the marketing podcast for creators, entrepreneurs, and small business owners who want to master marketing, messaging, and momentum. Because your next level is not about burning out, it's about burning bright. When I started this podcast, I thought marketing meant social media posts and hashtags. But I learned, painfully of course, that marketing is everything. It's how you answer your emails, how your website makes people feel, how your story lives in someone's memory long after the scroll away. So this transformation isn't just about rebranding. It's about teaching you how to think like a marketer, even if you never studied marketing. Because if you're a business owner, a creator, or a hustler trying to survive for the end of this year to the next and beyond, algorithm chaos, you are already in marketing, whether you realize it or not. That's why NJCT is becoming a marketing movement. So here's the truth. Every business problem is a marketing problem in disguise. Not enough sales, it's not the product, it's the positioning. No engagement, it's not the algorithm, it's the storytelling. No repeat customers, it's not bad luck, it's the experience. Marketing isn't about noise, it's about clarity. And on this podcast, we're breaking it down. How to build attention systems that work well and work while you're sleeping. How to turn your brand story into a conversion engine. And how to scale without selling your soul. We'll talk about content, psychology, audience behavior, and why storytelling outperforms strategy 10-1, unless you learn how to do both. Because the new creative edge is strategy, and the new marketing is human. The new NJCT framework is simple. 4 pillars. You will hear this again and again, over and over. Clarity. Number 1. What do you stand for? Who do you serve? And why you? Number 2. Content. Not volume, but value. Not trends, but trust. Number 3. Conversion. How every story leads to a system. How attention turns into action. Number 4. Continually. Automation, retention, and scaling smart so you can build something that lasts. This is how you stop chasing followers and start creating fans. This is how you stop guessing and start growing. And this is how Not Just Candle Talk becomes your weekly marketing mentorship in your ears. You've heard about the creator comeback vault. I've been talking about over and over. It's on my link tree. It's on the podcast. I've done private podcast episodes and the workbook, of course, to lead you into the vault. That's where we teach recovery, resilience, and mindset. But now there's more. So coming in 2026, the Marketing Vault, a deep dive library of systems, strategies, and blueprints designed to help you market smarter, automate faster, and scale forever. 2 vaults, 1 mission, to help creators and entrepreneurs rise mentally, strategically, and financially. Because the comeback isn't just mental anymore, it's marketing. So this is not just candle talk, raw truths, and real strategy. So I want you to do me a favor, subscribe wherever you listen, whether it's YouTube, Spotify, or the Apple Podcasts. And you can also download your free marketing comeback checklist at notjustcandletalk.me and unlock the Creator Comeback Vault for exclusive audio, lessons, frameworks, and templates. And you can also download it on our Linktree. That's Linktree/notjustcandletalk. The new season starts now, and it's all about building brands that don't just sell, they stick. Because this time, we're not just talking candles, we're talking comeback. We're talking marketing that moves people. Okay? So, what I'm going to do at the end of this episode, like I do in all episodes, I'm going to thank you for listening. Thank you for the part 2 of my first marketing episode. And I'm going to, of course, upload that checklist, and it will be available under the Linktree app. Always, thank you so much. Stay tuned for more. Bye.
Hi, everyone. This is JJ, the co-founder of Good Pods. If you haven't heard of it yet, Good Pods is like Goodreads or Instagram, but for podcasts. It's new, it's social, it's different, and it's growing really fast. There are more than 2 million podcasts, and we know that it is impossible to figure out what to listen to. On Good Pods, you follow your friends and podcasters to see what they like. That is the #1 way to discover new shows and episodes. You can find Good Pods on the web or download the app. Happy listening.